Welcome to UC Path Storage. What is Box? We will be discussing Box. It can be found at the link below. Box is a cloud-based service that provides secure file sharing and it allows UCOP and non-UCOP people to collaborate on documents. With Box, users are able to share files and folders while controlling access, comment directly on files, manage and preview files in various formats, and access content through all major browsers and mobile devices. There are a few different ways to access Box. You can go to the UC Favorites folder in Mozilla Firefox and scroll down to Box and click. Or you can click on the Box link from the Tools section of the SharePoint homepage. Let's take a moment to view the different sections of Box. On the left-hand side, you can view all files, recent files, synced files, notes, apps, trash, collections, and favorites. You can also drag and drop folders into this area for quick access. Up at the top, you will find your most recently viewed files. On the right-hand side, by clicking the plus icon, you can upload files and folders. You can also create cloud-based Word documents, PowerPoints, Excel spreadsheets, Pages documents, Keynote presentations, and Numbers spreadsheets. These can be shared and edited by others, and saved automatically in the cloud. In the center are your files and folders. You can drag and drop items here. You can use list view or grid view and zoom in and out. If a folder is blue, it is a shared folder. You should have a folder labeled Getting Started. Take a moment to locate that folder. When you find it, open it up and take the time to go over the documents inside. Let's take a look at how to create and share a cloud-based document. On the right-hand side, click the plus icon for a new Word document. Give the document a name. Then, click Create. You now have a cloud-based Word document that saves automatically. In the right-hand corner, there is a Share button. The Share settings will open up. You can search for people by typing their name to find their email. You can leave a note if you like. You can decide if you would like for them to be an editor or viewer. When you are ready, click Send. Let's take a look at another example. We will go to the plus icon in the right-hand corner, and this time we will click on Folder. Start by giving your folder a name. If you would like to share the folder, type in their name or names to find their emails. Then decide what kind of permissions you'd like them to have. Finally, click Create. Your new folder will be at the top of your list. Double-click to open it. You can now create new documents directly within Box or upload existing files or folders. At any time, you can make your way back to the Share button in the right-hand corner and edit the share settings or invite additional people. Let's review. Box is a cloud-based service. You are able to create cloud-based documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. It provides secure file sharing. It allows for collaboration on files and folders. It allows you to share files and folders while controlling the access. It can be found at the link below. Thank you for watching UC Path Storage.